Welcome to Best Pick. Top 11 Best Motorcycle Tires in 2023, Reviews and Buying Guide. Top 1. Pirelli Angel Street Front and Rear Street Sport Touring Motorcycle Tires, 1x front 120/70 ZR17 1x rear 180/55 ZR17. Brand Pirelli. Size 120/70 ZR17 180/55 ZR17. Rim size 17 inches. Section width 120 mm. Tire aspect ratio 70.0. Load index rating 236.00. All tires guaranteed 2020 or newer. Set 7 FIM records and garnered the prestigious 24-hour duration world record on one set of tires on March 15, 2009, in Nardo, Italy, 3,190.8 miles, average speed of 132.9 mph. Steel belt radial structure and advanced compounding technology provide balanced behavior wet or dry. Extended mileage sport, EMS, tires tailored for the latest sport super sport touring bikes or touring bikes. Top 2. Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3 Front and Rear Street Sport Motorcycle Tires Rosso 3 120/70 ZR17 180/55 ZR17. Brand Pirelli. Size 120/70 ZR17 180/55 ZR17. Rim size 17 inches. Section width 120 mm. Tire aspect ratio 70.0, load index rating 1.00. Comes with Pirelli logo keychain. WSBK derived profile for agile response, quick turn-in and transitions. Bicompound design with a wide race compound strip offering full grip from mid-lean angle. Large footprint area for improved adherence. W rated for speeds of 168 plus mph. Top 3. Bridgestone Excedra G7 22 Cruiser Rear Motorcycle Tire 170/16. Brand Bridgestone. Size 170/16, rear. Rim size 16 inches. Section width 170 mm. Tire aspect ratio 70.0, load index rating 75. Designed primarily for Japanese cruisers, the Exedra G series provides long mileage, good stability, crisp handling and riding comfort. G700 series is the popular original equipment choice on many of the Japanese cruisers such as Yamaha Royal Star, Kawasaki Vulcan and Suzuki Intruder. Top 4. Dunlop Harley-Davidson D402 Rear Motorcycle Tire Mount 90B16, 74H, Black Wall, fits, Harley-Davidson CVO Dyna Wide Glide FXDWGSE 2001. Brand Dunlop. Size 130/16. Rim size 16 inches. Tire aspect ratio 90 inches. Load index rating 74.00, speed rating H. The D402 is the only tire approved by Harley-Davidson for its touring bikes. Built with a 3-ply polyester casing with 2 fiberglass belts, the D402 offers greater load carrying capacity and stability. Computer-optimized tread profile with offset center groove improves rider confidence over rain grooves and steel-graded bridges, while reducing cupping for even wear. The Dunlop Harley-Davidson Tire Series D402 is available in front and rear black wall, single white bar, or wide white sidewall, all with an H speed rating. Wider MU85B16 rear tire is available in black, slim white sidewall and wide white sidewall, and is load rated up to 908 pounds. D402 FMT90B16 is a front tire only and is not interchangeable with D402 MT90B16 rear tire. SW equals slim white sidewall. WWW equals wide white wall. Top 5. Dunlop Sportmax GPR 300 Sport Front and Rear Motorcycle Tire Set 120 70th ZR17 and Rear Motorcycle Tire, 180 55th ZR17. Brand Dunlop. Size 120/70 ZR17 plus 180 55th ZR17, rim size 17 inches. Section width 120 mm. Tire aspect ratio 70.0, load index rating 73. The Sportmax GPR 300 is a radial tire that offers well-balanced sport performance for a variety of sport bikes. Radial tire technology helps to provide enhanced grip in wet and dry conditions. Optimized construction to enhance handling and responsiveness for street-going sport riding. Advanced belt design and jointless band (JLB) rear tire construction utilizes a continuously wound belt for smooth performance and a consistent tire contact patch. Aggressive sport-derived tread pattern for enhanced on-bike appearance. Top 6. Michelin Commander 2 Reinforced Motorcycle Tire Cruiser Rear, 130/16. Brand Michelin. Size 130/16. Rim size 16 inches. Section width 130 mm. Tire aspect ratio 90.0, load index rating 73. The Michelin tire for all types of cruisers, offering more longevity without compromising stability and handling. Proven longevity. The benchmark in longevity, commissioned third-party tests show that the Michelin Commander 2 rear tire lasts almost twice as long as its main competitors. No compromise on stability and maneuverability, thanks to its high density and therefore stiffer frame. Michelin amplified density technology. Michelin Commander 2 features premium handling and responsiveness. The top layers in rear tires are made of aramid fibers, which combine resistance and a lightweight feel for perfect stability, even at high speeds. Excellent grip on wet surfaces. A brand new longitudinal tread provides outstanding water evacuation, and thus excellent grip on wet surfaces. Commissioned third-party tests conducted in 2011 on public roads comparing Michelin Commander 2 tires, Metzeler ME880, and Dunlop D407/D408 tires in sizes 130/80sb17 and 180/65sb16. Individual results may vary depending on motorcycle type and operating conditions. Top 7. Continental ContiMotion Sport Touring Motorcycle Tire Rear 180/55s-17. Brand Continental. Size 180/55s-17. Rim size 17 inches. Section width 180 mm. Tire aspect ratio 55.0, load index rating 73. Brand new concept Radial for the entry-level market. Safe and reliable feedback on both dry and wet roads. Value for money mileage due to new formulated polymers in the compound. 0-degree steel belt construction on the rear for excellent stability and ride comfort. Top 8. Bridgestone Exedra Max Front Motorcycle Radial Tire, 130/70 SR1863W. Brand Bridgestone. Size 130/70 SR18. Rim size 18 inches. Section width 130 mm. Tire aspect ratio 70.0, load index rating 63.0. Specific rubber compound for cruiser applications provides long mileage, linear handling and high-speed, straight-line stability. Unique wide shape of tire profile supports touring-type riding while reducing fatigue. Rubber compounds and tread patterns enhance water evacuation and both dry and wet grip. Top 9. Dunlop D404 Rear Motorcycle Tire 170/80s-15, 77H, Black Wall. Brand Dunlop Tires. Size 170/80s-15. Rim size 15 inches. Section width 170 mm. Tire aspect ratio 80.0, load index rating 77. Expanded size range fits a wide variety of older bikes and cruisers. Tread compound delivers excellent balance of mileage and grip. Front and rear tread patterns designed for outstanding water evacuation and wet grip. Bias ply construction designed to deliver excellent load carrying capacity as well as a smooth ride for maximum comfort. Offset center groove offers excellent straight line stability. The Dunlop D404 is not recommended for use on Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Top 10. Kenda Cruiser K671 Motorcycle Street Tire, 170 ADS H 15. Brand Kenda. Size 170 ADS H 15. Rim size 15 inches. Section width 170 mm. Tire aspect ratio 80, load index rating 83. DOT approved, H rated for speeds belted up to 130 mph. 6-ply rated, tubeless construction for sport, touring, and cruiser bikes. Deep offset tread sips proved for excellent water dispersion and wet weather traction. Stiff sidewall provides better performance and handling. Wide contact patch for superior traction and increased mileage. Top 11. Dunlop D404 Front Motorcycle Tire 190th-19, 57H, Black Wall, fits, BMW F650 1997-1999. Brand Dunlop Tires. Size 190th-19. Rim size 19 inches. Section width 100 mm. Tire aspect ratio 90.0, load index rating 57.00. Expanded size range fits a wide variety of older bikes and cruisers. Tread compound delivers excellent balance of mileage and grip. Front and rear tread patterns designed for outstanding water evacuation and wet grip. Bias ply construction designed to deliver excellent load carrying capacity as well as a smooth ride for maximum comfort. Offset center groove offers excellent straight line stability. The Dunlop D404 is not recommended for use on Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.